Hi, today's video is regarding Canon pixma TR4520 printer. So I'm going to do unbox and quick setup, then we'll do a copy test. Now start unboxing first. So now press the power button, and now we open the ink cartridges. And now we go to the display screen. Now we select the language, English, press OK. Now it says install the cartridges, open the cover, so that we will do now. So open the front cover and then this cover. As we can see, the sockets are moving, and now once they are in their place, now insert the color cartridge, place it in, push it little inside. Now the black, let it go and press it inside. Once it is installed, close the door. This is the place we can insert the pages here. And that's the tray to come out. So once we install the ink cartridges, we see the option like it says ready to connect. So we can connect wirelessly and with wire. Now if you want to use instantly, just like to copy, so just press the stop button and you will see some options on the screen here. Move forward until you see do not connect and press OK. It says connection will not be set. Yes, press OK. So it says please wait. Now you will see on the screen it says copy and other options you can do. So now I'm going to do a copy. So special copy plus OK. Now it says two-sided copy. Press OK. You will see on the screen it says two-sided is ready. So that is the test page 1 and this is test page 2. So once we insert it, then I'll press black copy, press once. So we can see it has started to take the page in. We can see it has started to take pages, both pages in and out, and it's printing as well. As we can see, so it's going to print it automatically on the both sides. So here we can see it has printed on the both side of the page. Thanks for watching.